What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to earn $70 per email or even more than that. Before that, if you are in the niche of making money online, business related niche and entrepreneurship related niche, then you should go below and hit the subscribe button now because you are gonna find here daily videos regarding all these topics. And also here is 100% free training on how to make $100 per day as a complete beginner. You are gonna find the link in the description, okay? And now how you can make $70 per email as a complete beginner, okay? So basically I'm talking over here about the email marketing stuff, okay? Basically what we do in the email marketing, first of all, with the help of some lead magnet, by creating an opt-in page, we acquire some leads. Let me show you a little. Okay, basically what you do generally, here is your landing page and here is your free offer, okay? And here you are asking them for email, so you are collecting those emails and thereafter you are doing the email follow-ups and all that stuff. You are doing email 1, email 2, and those emails are driving you money, okay? So basically on an average basis, it has been calculated that every email is worth about $3 to $5 for those who gives about average value, not much value, not less value, okay? So $3 to $5 is really bare minimum for this stuff, okay? So that means every email you are collecting over here is worth $3 to $5, okay? But there are also the guys who are making from about $10 or even more than that per email. Even my mentor is making more than $10 per email. How he is doing that? Basically he gives lot more value. The only game is of giving value and thereafter asking for something in return, okay? Then they would like to give you something in return. So basically what it really does matter, because once you have gotten let's say you are having about 1,000 emails, okay? Let's say you are having 1,000 emails, and if you are giving them value on the first month, on the second month, on the 3 month, and so on to the lifetime, till when you are giving them value, they will be buying your stuff. Whether it's 2 years, 1 year, 6 months, or even 5 years, it depends on you how much value and how much consistency and the value are you giving, okay? So basically after collecting let's say you have 1,000 emails, and every email can easily give you $3 per email, okay? Basically it's $3 to $5, so I think that I am just taking $3 over here, and if you are giving value within just 2 years, you have generated over $72 from that email. From a single email you have generated over $72. That means you have generated in just 2 years with an email list of 1,000 members a $72,000 just with an email list of 1,000 members, even if you are just providing him value. But what the thing over here that really matters, okay? Basically there are also the guys who are making $10 per email, or even there are guys who are making 50 cents per email. But how are they doing so? Basically the 50-cent guys, the guys who are making just 50 cents per email, those are just spamming their email with links and lots of products every single day. That is why they are making just 50 cents from their email. Even my mentor makes about $10 per email. Let me tell you what is the criteria that he is making over $10 per email, okay? Basically what he does, he gives lots and lots of value 1, value 2, value 3, and even on the 4th day sometimes he gives value. He only promotes a single product every single month. Even with an email list of 1,000 members, he was generating $20,000. That means $20 per email, okay? Literally after giving whole of the month value, when he promotes one single offer, everyone believes that is something of high value, okay? Then everybody, most of the guys are gonna to check out the product. But the great part over here is my mentor used to promote the high ticket product. He never sells the product below $500. So let's say on an average, generally his maximum times he promote an offer of about $1,000. So literally he just need 20 sales for that. 20 sales. That means with just 20 sales he has is making over $20,000 and it's about 2% conversion. But what others are doing, let me just tell you why some are making a good amount of money. Okay, let me tell you. See, these are the three guys. Let me show you over here. This guy is making over and over all about okay, this guy is making over 50 cent. Okay, and this guy is making $3 per email and this guy is making $10 per email. So what this guy is doing, basically, let me just show you over here. Basically this guy is okay, let me just do. Okay, basically what this guy is doing, the 50 cent guy is just spamming out his list with every single day new products, no value at all. He is not giving even a little value. Every single day he is selling and selling. He never gives value to his email list. That is why in general sometimes someone buys his product, but maximum times nobody buys the product. And another thing with the $3 guys over here, these guys gives value on the first day, second day, but some of these guys after that, these guys just sell something and thereafter again they provide value and then again sell, then again provide value, then again started selling that product. That is what this guy is doing. That is why in the middle of the every week 2 times these guys are promoting offers, and that is the big reason over here that these guys are not making enough money just like this. Okay, that is the big reason over here. Okay, and what this guy is doing, these guys are just providing value. Hardly these guys promote offer 2 times in a month. Hardly. And what this guy at $3 is doing, he promotes product of about a $30, $50. That's it, guys. Maximum even in 10% only, and only 10% of the case he promotes product of $100. Okay, and what this guy does, this guy promotes $1,000 product, $500 product, and never promotes a product less than $500. So he is making a lot of money just because of this reason. The $30 is just promoting just wait for a second, let me just clear it to you. Okay, look at this. This guy is making $30 and this guy I'm sorry, this guy is making $3 and this guy is making $10. Okay, so this guy is selling a $30 product. Okay, so to make $20,000, let's say to make the calculations easy, to make $30,000 he need to sell 1,000 products. Only then he will be able to make $30,000. $30,000. Only and only then he will be able to make $30,000. But on the other hand, if this guy is selling a product of $1,000, to make over and over, okay, to make over and over $30,000, he just need 30 sales. That means you can look at the conversion to, he just need 30 sales to reach out to the $30,000. This guy needs only 3% conversion and this guy needs 100% conversion. You can see how much the big difference over here is. Okay, that is the big reason these guys are making a lot more money. And further, as these guys are purchasing this $1,000 product, these guys are even gonna to spend more and more. In the future, they are gonna to buy a $2,000 product and further more and more like that. Let me show you how you can collect those leads. Although in my training I have completely told you how you can generate leads, free leads, 100% free leads. Basically, if you are paying $1 per email and you are generating $70 per email, so literally there is nothing bad in that. You are multiplying your money 70x in just 2 years. Okay, and literally with free traffic you are just making over $70 per email with 100% free traffic. You are not investing in anything. You can do it with Instagram, you can do it with Facebook, or you can do it with in the paid traffic you can do the Facebook ads. Okay, and absolutely you can do the Google AdSense. So there are lots and lots of ways which you can start generating leads. Okay, so if you are if you are just making about $10 per email, within just 7 months you have reached to $70 per email. Within just 7 months you are reaching to your $70 target. But if you are making about $3 per email, it is gonna to take you 2 years. But there is nothing bad. Here is also a long-term business. Not like here is 2 years, okay, and here is 2 years, and here is 7 months. So literally this is the ultimate blueprint on how you can make $70 per email, or even if you are going to give value properly, you can even make more than this money, more money than this as well. As I have shown you, my mentor used to make $20,000 just from an email list of 1,000 members per month. Okay, so I really hope that guys you will like the free training in the description. Just check it out, and absolutely you will be start making $100 per day if you will start taking action. So I hope guys you like this video, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also press bell icon so you do not miss any valuable video. So at last, thanks for watching.